Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Stacking Perpetrator here. Today's video, we're going to finish out the mail call so that I can start doing some videos, do some what's in the box. As I release these, you'll probably see them in a mismatched order. It just depends on which one I feel like releasing, but I have some time, so I'm sitting down doing a mass video segment here, trying to get as many as I can. Let's see what we got here. Oh, come on. Get the stickiness. Let go. Gloves and the tape don't go together real well. Finally in. We got the packbook out of the way. Plenty of bubble wrap. More bubble wrap, more bubble wrap, more bubble wrap, and there we go. Picked up another Dansco. Got this on the cheap because I wanted the slip cover. I think what I got this for, oh, this is printed on both sides. My typeset's not printed on both sides. That's cool. The slip cover I have for my, or the dust shield I have for my typeset only has the printing on one side. This has it on both sides. That's cool. This one, the professional line, Dansco. So this one happens to be another Morgan Date set album. The price I won this for on an auction was the cost of what you pay for just the cover. So I got a cover and then I got a free, kind of like a free album with this. This is the Date set. I gotta look at this one though because their listing was weird. 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. And it's missing a slide, which the seller did not. Missing the front slide there too. The seller did not mention it was missing. Oh, it's missing slides, and they did not mention missing slides. Okay, so that's not good. And you gotta love it when, come on, sellers. And there's so many, you know, why do you got to do that? Why can you not state in the listing that it's missing slides? They say, you know, this was sold as a like new. So now I got to make some slides. Missing both here. But let's see. And it's missing a page. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. No, it isn't. 99, 1900, 1, 2, 3, 4, 21, and the spots. The reason I got this is because my girlfriend wants to do the Morgan Dollar Date set. She does not, her monthly budget, she doesn't care what the condition coin is. She does have a couple, like she's got the 94, she's got an O or an S. She has a Carson City. I think the hardest one for her, the hardest two for her are going to be this 95 or this 93, but I may have a 90, I may have an extra 95 O or S that I can get to her, and the 93 is going to be the top slot. But man, this makes you mad when you know, you look at the listing and everything looks good, and then you get it and it's missing the slides. But for the price I paid, I mean, this album, the outside looks good. It's better than, actually better than, it's like newer than the one I have. But I actually wanted the sleeve. I wanted this for one of my other albums. And she just wanted the book. So that's the way we're doing that. And this is album, what is this? The 7171. So not bad. Man, when you're selling on eBay, like, you know, come on, be honest with your listings. I mean, I got a good deal, so making some slides or looking at see if my the album I have for parts, maybe I can rob a couple sliders out of that to put in here, because I need 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it seems like they have both of them there. And they only have singles up here, so 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's see if I can round up 8 slides from one of the albums I have that I'm using for parts and everything. But anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think of the album with the sleeve? What's your opinion on when sellers don't disclose certain things in their listing and then you purchase it and I got a pretty good deal, so I'm not going to send it back, because what I paid for this, you can't buy this dust shield costs more than what I paid for this. So I really, for the price, I can't complain, because I didn't get what I was bidding on. So I did get this through an auction. But what do you think? What would you do? Let me know your thoughts down below. We'll see you on another one.